So today is pretty special because we are going and taking wildlife photography, which is something that I don't do, and we're using a wide angle lens. But we have a trick up our sleeve. Okay, so right now we're in a race against time because the sun back there is only up for another like 2-3 hours, and we still have to catch 2 buses. We just bought the seeds and we're ready to go. So these are some of the final photos from our wide-angle lens bird photography photos. If you enjoy this type of content, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss out on any future content. Thank you for watching.